polymerization, how the monomer is converted into the polymers and the functional groups which is converted into the functionality monomers, and how the degree of polymerization can be converted by using this number of repeating units. For this I have discussed about this example of polyethylene, how the monomer of monomer, that is CH2 double bond CH2, is converted into a polymer CH2 bond CH2. And applications of polymers I have discussed, the addition polymerization, thermosetting and thermoplastics, and the portions of synthetic polymers, natural polymers. And now I am going to discuss about the topics of the engineering polymers, that is the engineering polymers which is based on this industry based polymers and the other types of based polymers which are used in this plastics of the engineering polymers. It is mainly based on this shape and size of the molded particles which are being used in this nowadays, the industry based products, the fabricated products which is formed from this compressed moldings or the injected parts by using these polymers. There are different varieties of polymers which are classified by based on this mechanical and thermal properties, and by using this engineering polymers, the industry applications can be derived by basic units, and it has applied varieties of polymers. So one is the commodity polymers. Commodity polymers which is has mechanical strength, that is it should have the more mechanical strength properties, and it should be flexible to all the purpose from the disposal of polymers based on this environmental problems and the causes of air pollutions based required to defect from these pollutions, and it can be used as a packing material which is based on this examples of mainly the sources of polyethylene. So the main common products of engineering polymers is nothing but the polyethylene. Polyethylene which is by monomer of CH2 double bond CH2 in the presence of a commutative polymers. So the commercial uses of the commutative polymers by using this engineering polymers based on so many types. One is the polyethylene, polyvinyl chloride, and some other types of polymers can be classified based on this mechanical and the under pressure properties. And the next one is engineering plastic polymers. So engineering plastic polymers is also based on this mechanical and the thermal stability of polymers. It should have the 350 degrees Celsius before the temperature can be controlled by measuring these types of polymers. Whenever the polymers can be molded by using this temperature under the pressure and the temperature, it can be controlled by variant colors by using this magnetic and the engineering plastic polymers. So these polymers can be used for the heating purpose. Whenever the heating purposes can be used by the controlled process, it can be carried out whenever the process is described by their stability and the flexibility of engineering polymers. It can be used as a vital applications in the engineering polymers. So the industry based polymers nowadays, it is used as many applications like in the windows and the car doors, door making applications and the pipeline applications, tank lining applications. Many other facilities can be used by using this engineering plastic polymers. So next we have to discuss about this, what are the properties and the uses of the engineering polymers. So we have using this engineering plastic polymers based on the shape and sizes of the molded particles, and it can be structured by using these particles from their above mentioned properties. So it has the properties of a low specific and the high specific gravity potential using this engineering plastic polymers. So whenever we have this, we have to decide any shape and size of this engineering plastic polymers. So it is a major properties and uses. And the next one is it has a good absorption capacity. Whenever we have uses the low absorption or by using this another method of using the properties, absorption capacity has higher. And the last one is that it has a engineering plastic polymers, it has a good elasticity and more flexibility by using this different types of engineering plastic polymers. So these are the plastic polymers, how we can be described by using this commodity polymers and the engineering plastic polymers. Next we are going to discuss about how the functional polymers are by using this polyvinyl chloride. So the polyvinyl chloride is nothing but polyvinyl chloride. It is obtained by the heating water emulsion of vinyl chloride in the presence of a hydrogen peroxide as a catalyst to produce a polyvinyl chloride. So the function of the process can be described by using N is the number of unit, that is CH2 double bond CHCl. It is the formation of a vinyl chloride, and under the polymerization reaction it forms H2O2, and in the double bond reactions which break down into a single bond and it forms as a CH2 bond CHCl. Under the whole process of n degree of polymerization, it forms as a polyvinyl chloride. And the properties, it is a non-flammable, and the uses, it can be used in the tank lining and the pipeline, that is formation of a PVC. Thank you.